very strong in theoretical and inheritance. You are pressing enter key. Some so most questions are asked from inheritance.
The very first open page is
if you read constructors correctly, then you read inheritance correctly. If you answer them correctly, maximum questions you can hit it. That many questions will come from here. Rules will come. Available. Okay, right. Make it. When there is
available. Oh, change it now.
When there is
ending available.
Parameterized constructor.
So okay, book starting on page.
When there is parameterized constructor in parent class or super
journey
class.
Starts with the cover page only. Without seeing the cover page, that is
when there is parameterized constructor in parent
so first we are
class
watching the title of the book. Yes, it is suitable for me. Then you are opening book and reading that. So how the books we have the cover pages,
then
like that websites also
the
cover page available. The cover page is called as
the programmer must
the cover page is called as
super off.
So when you use the dot symbol, it calls always the home page of your project.
Child class constructor. Child class
the dot represents the home page of the website. Now when I click on
right. So the last class I given information about constructors in the parent class and methods and blocks in the parent class I discussed. Today the concept is method overriding process. We are calling it as method overriding process. The method with the same method name in parent class and child class. Then parent class method is replaced by child class method while object creation is known as method overriding process. Same method signature means return type same, method name same, parameter list same, parameter type same. Okay, right. Today I must explain with one program whether constructor overriding possible or not, static method overriding possible or not, instance method overriding possible or not. We are going to have a discussion on method overriding process. Okay, right. Now let me start like this. inheritance application 3. I am taking inheritance application 4. I am taking. Right. I am taking one class, parent class, child class, in parent class. I am taking one method like yesterday, not method, constructor. Parent class constructor will have parent class name. Yes or no? Now, parent class constructor will have parent class name. So answer is coming from parent class constructor X. System dot out dot print ln. The value X is equal to plus X. Now I am declaring one constructor in the child class. Extends from parent class. Whenever I want to declare one constructor in child, the constructor will take the name of child class. Yes or no? So parent class constructor will have parent class name. Child class constructor will have child class name. Int X super of X. You know by yesterday, this is one parent class constructor call. You know. Child class having child class constructor with child class name. Parent class having parent class constructor with parent class name. Constructor names are same or different? Means my intention constructor in parent, constructor in child. Both are same or different by name. Constructor in parent, constructor in child. The names are different, no? Yes or no? Constructor names are different. But here, method name must be same, no? Constructor is a method only, no? Right. So constructor overriding possible or not possible? Not possible, because it is not meeting the requirement of definition. So there is no concept of constructor overriding process. So there is no concept of constructor overriding process. Because the constructors will have different names in parent class and child class. There is no concept of constructor overriding process because the constructors will have different names in parent class and child class. So constructor overriding not available. Remember this statement. Constructor overriding not available. Okay, right. Now look here. I am taking one static method now. I am taking one static method. In the parent class, I'll take one static method. Void some M1, I'll take it. Some int Y. Memory in parent class. Esa no na. Let us take A and B. Now this is parent class M1, means static method M1. Static M1 of A. The value A is equal to plus A. Same method I am writing in child. Now memory in child class. This is child class M1. Now the static methods, memory in the class object. For overriding process, here while object creation, overriding happens while object creation. Now while object creation, if overriding happens, static method is coming to object and not coming to object. Static methods will not come to objects. They are available in the classes. Memories are available in the classes. So when the memory is available in the classes, they will not get the memory within the object. When they are not getting the memory within the object, overriding not available. So static method overriding is not available. Make a statement. There is no concept of static method overriding process.
Recording in progress.
Now I am taking instance method overriding process. Now I am taking instance method overriding process. See there. In the parent class, public void M2 of int B. Now this memory in object. Now parent class M2 of P. Now the system dot out dot print ln, the value P is equal to plus P. Now the memory in the object. Now this method is going to come to the object. Now the same method I'll write in the child. Memory in object. This is child class. Now when they are coming to the object, it overrides. Now instance members will get the memory within the object. When they are coming to object, then overrides. Parent method overrides by child method. So instance method overriding is possible because instance members will get a memory within the object while object creation. Make a statement. Third point. Instance methods overriding is possible. Instance methods overriding is possible because the instance methods will get a memory within the object while object creation process. Instance method overriding is possible because the instance methods will get a memory within the object while object creation. So constructor overriding not available. Static method overriding not available. But instance method overriding is available. It's a theory. Now this is the program I typed. Let me run it once. Now go for main class. Demo inheritance for demo inheritance for import test dot star. Here child class OB is equal to new child class. Constructor call is there? No. Now OB dot M1 I must call child class dot M1 and this is OB dot M1. OB dot M2. So answer will come. Parent class, child class static, child class instance. So parent class constructor, child class instance, child class static, child class instance. So this is the output. Sir, how the output came, I want to know, sir. Means I'll draw the diagram. Parent class dot Java, child class dot Java, demo, inheritance 4 dot Java, one main class. Right. Now, how this output came, sir? What is that replacement or what is that overriding? I want to see, sir. For that, we draw one diagram. Execution flow of above program. Second diagram in inheritance. Execution flow of above program. How many class files available? Parent class dot class file, child class dot class file, demo inheritance 4 dot class file. This is one main class. Right. See there? Yesterday you had some informations about inheritance already. Today you are trying to see overriding process while diagrammatical form representation. You have to watch it. Our old diagram, method area, where classes are loaded. Heap area, where objects are created. Java stack area, where methods are executed. Right. Sir, main class will be loaded and the main method will come for execution here. Right. Sir, main class will come. Main method will come. This is main method. In this main method, child class OB is equal to new child class of 123. Child class OB is equal to new child class of 123. Sir, new means one reference created. New means one reference created here. Then we have to create object for child. Whenever you want to create object for child, yesterday you know, parent class loaded, then child class loaded. Sir, first parent class loaded. First parent class loaded. Parent class is having parent class constructor. And the parent class is having one static method. That is M1. Void M1 of int A. M2 non-static, no memory for M2. So for this memory not there, constructor. For this memory not there. Okay, right. The two are instances anyway. Now the child class will be loaded. Child class loaded. Child class is having child class constructor int x. No memory here. Now, here static method is there, M1. In the child class, same name. Void M1 of int A. Static method will get the memory there. M2, no memory. M2, no memory. Like this. Once the loading has been completed, object creation starts. When the object creation started, here constructor call is there, no? Right. Which constructor will come now? Sir, child class constructor will come. Yes or no? Na? First, the child class constructor will come out. Because here constructor call is there. Based on that constructor, the constructor will come out. Constructor has highest priority in execution while object creation. So child class constructor will come. Imagine it. Child class constructor will come. Now, the child class constructor will come for execution. Child class of int x. Here we return super, no? Super of x, we return. When we return super of x now the parent class constructor will come. 1 minute. I drawn the arrow for it. 1 minute. Sir, this constructor will come. Because of its constructor call, this constructor will come. Now the child class constructor will come. Child class constructor int x. The child class constructor will call parent class constructor. That is super of X. Now that parent class constructor will come out. That parent class constructor will come out. Child class constructor only must call parent class constructor. Now that parent class constructor will come out. Now child class constructor called parent class constructor. Now the output will come from here. X is equal to 123. Because that 123 passed to child, child passed to parent. All of understood that? No? Yes or no? Now this will be destroyed. Control will come. This will be destroyed. Because of this constructor call, that work has been done. Forget that constructors. Now remaining methods are there, no? Right. Now M1, M2, M1, M2. M1 is static. They are available in the classes. M2 is non-static, no? Right. So M2 will come here. M2 is coming now. Void M2 of int P. M2 is coming. Now M2 method came. Parent class method body. Now this M2 came here. With the number 3 I am giving. M2 came. Because parent class method has to come first. That is the rule. Okay, right. After that, child class method should come. Yes or no? Yesterday's rule that only no. Parent class method M2 came. Now child class method should come. When the child class method is coming, it comes and overrides. It comes and overrides. It comes and overrides. Override means replaces. Whatever the method is there, it replaces. It replaces. Whenever it replaces now, this parent class body will become child class method body. All of you understood the replacement? So why the replacement happens means parent will come, then child will come. Same, no? Suppose if int a is equal to 10 is there, roughly I'm speaking. Then I took a is equal to 20. What happened now? 10 will go and 20 will come or not? Same. Already method from parent came. Again method from child coming. It comes and replaces. I am the same method only, no? That's called method replacement. Actual term is method replacement. Certification term. Later on, slowly, the market modified as a method overriding. Actual concept is replacement. Now, which method replaced means instance method only. Constructors, they are different, they are running. Static method, they are available in the classes, they are not coming. Who is coming now? Instance methods are coming. Because of this reason, instance method overriding is available. That only concept. After this one, this address will be loaded onto OB. That is the object. The object is holding a single method or not now? Only one method is holding now. The object is holding parent class method or child class method? Object is holding child class method or parent class method? Child class method. Nothing but your software updates. If you update Truecaller, what happened now? Old one replace with new one. Yes or no? Na? In your phone, old is there or new is there? New is there. New is the child, old is the parent. New is the child, old is the parent. All your software updates happening in your mobile phone, it is a overriding process. Method replacement process. Existing replaced with new one. Name will not be changed. Body will be changed. Body means performance will be changed. That's the concept. All of understood this override. Right. Why I drawn the diagram means constructor overriding not there. The two constructors has two different names. Names must be same. Constructor overriding not there. Static method overriding not there. The reason the methods will not come to object. When they come to object, the replacement happens. Instance method overriding is possible because instance methods has to get the memory within the object. First parent method will come, then child method will come. Parent replaced by the child. That's why I written here. The method with the same method signature in parent and child. Then parent class method is replaced by child class method while object creation process is known as method overriding process. What is the rule now? Method names must be same. Return types must be same. Parameter list must be same. Parameter type must be same. Then only replacement happens. All have understood this concept. So in that process, constructor overriding not there. Static method overriding not there. Instance method overriding is possible. Now see there, I am continuing. After this object creation has been completed, right, look here. What is available here now? Child class dot M1 I had. Child class dot M1. Observe it. Now M1 two methods are available. Yes or no? Na? One in the parent, one in the child. Now, which one is executed now? Sir, the control will go to method of child. The control will go to method of child. And the method will come out. Void M1 int A. The method is coming out. I became master in paintbrush because of this pandemic. Right. Now the method is coming here or not? Now this is 6. Now which method is coming for execution now? Sir, child class method is coming for execution whenever I say child class dot M1. Here I am passing parameter, I think. 124. Sum 124. Roughly. Now that 124 answer will come. Where A is equal to 124. That you understood now? Right. If you want to execute parent class method, you can call by p class dot m1. No. Yes or no? Na? If you say parent class name dot m1, answer will come. Whenever I want to execute parent class method with a child class name, parent class method will not come. Because already the method is available in the child class. Child class method only will come out. Anyway, leave this concept. Come here. I am running ob dot m2. I am running. I am completing the diagram. Anyway, you understood that, but still I am completing the diagram. I am calling the method from object. Now this M2 will come for execution. M2 overrided will come for execution. So anyway, answer is coming. Now P is equal to some 125. All of you understood the diagram up to here? Yes or no? Right. Here, one concept is there. Method hiding process. One small concept available in this diagram. Method hiding process. Because I completed the diagram. Make it define method hiding process. I'll paste the diagram here anyway. FAQ. Define method hiding process. Define method hiding process. Define method hiding process. First, you must know the meaning of hiding. What is hiding? Sir, hiding means hiding only, sir. Right. Look here. Many people knows the definition. Anyway, small, let me try it. Many people knows the definition. Hope don't know the correct definition, I think. So here, one A person is there. I am speaking about hiding. And one more person, B person is there. Now these two persons are playing hide and seek game. Maybe they are school students, I think. Because you people tension no for you, games not there. Daily tension only no for you. Right. Job tension, other tension, right. Lifelong tension only, no games for you now. Now A is trying to find B. When we say B is hided. Hided meaning is nothing but A cannot reach B. A cannot reach B. That's called hided. Hiding means when we cannot reach it. Example, in your system, your friend hided one folder. You cannot find it. Means you cannot reach it. You cannot reach to that location. That's called hidden. Hiding means cannot reaching. Now apply to our diagram to now. M1 method. M1 method from parent class. This is M1 method. M1 method from parent class. This one. M1 method. That M1 method we call it as hidden method. That M1 method we call it as hidden method. M1 method. By terminology, you can say hidden method. Sir, why it is hidden method? Execution engine cannot reach the method of parent class. Execution engine cannot reach the method of parent class because the same method available in the child class. In this process, method of parent class is hidden method. Understood the statement? Sir, if I remove the method in the child class, execution engine will go. Because method not available in the child now. Suppose the execution engine goes to child, execute the child, but the execution engine cannot reach the parent. The reason, same method available in the child. Sorry, if I remove the method from the child, suppose in the child class, I'll remove it, sir. Sir, in the child class, I'll remove the method. I remove the method in the child class now. Right. After removing the method in child class now, I'll execute it. When the method not available in the child class now execution control will go to parent. The execution control will go to parent. Now parent class static M1 is coming. All of you observe that? Parent class static method M1 coming. The reason, the same method not available in the child. When the same method available in the child now, execution engine cannot reach the parent. The parent class method is known as hidden method. Now write the definition. Method hiding process. The execution control cannot reach parent class method. Execution control cannot reach parent class static method. Execution control cannot reach parent class static method when same static method, when same static method available in child class, the execution control cannot reach parent class static method when same static method available in child class. The execution control cannot reach parent class static method when same static method available in child class. In this process, parent class static method is hidden by child class static method. Hidden by child class static method is known as method hiding process. The execution control cannot reach parent class static method when same static method available in child class. In this process, parent class static method is hidden by child class static method is known as method hiding process. In the diagram I commented, no, anyway. In the diagram I commented. Hidden method I commented. So how to remember summary in one line? Same instance method signatures, same instance method signatures in parent class and child class. Same instance method signatures in parent class and child class is known as method overriding process. Instance method means overriding. Same instance method signatures in parent class and child class is known as method overriding process. Same static method signatures in parent class and child class is known as method hiding process. Method hiding process. Same instance method signature is means overriding. Same static method signature means method hiding. All have understood this concept? In the same diagram, both are there. Hiding is there, overriding is there. Instance method, overriding. Static method, method hiding. The control comes to child class method. Control never comes to parent class method. Parent class method is hidden from the execution. That's the concept. This is the diagram. All have understood this? Right. Now, here example program followed by diagram and so on. All have understood the concept of overriding? Says or no to me? Right. Now make it define method overloading process. method overloading process. Define method overload process. More than one constructor, more than one constructor, differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type. More than one constructor differentiated by their parameter list. 1 minute, 1 minute. Why I'm writing constructor again? Striked out? Okay. More than one method with the same method name. Strike out and write it. No problem if you strike out. Any problem? Anyway, after the course is over, we are going to throw your book now, sir. No problem, sir. You'll preserve it, I'll throw it on me. You'll keep my notes, no? Who are writing? Print out people, they'll forget it, I know. After batch is over, you'll forget it, no? Who are writing, hope you'll keep in your racks, I think. If you open it, well and good. If you don't open it, no problem. More than one method with the same method name, differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type. More than one method with the same method name differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type is known as method overloading process. More than one method with the same method name differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type is known as method overloading process. Now comes your case one. Whether constructor overloading possible or not. That only. Constructor overloading process. Constructor overloading process. More than one constructor, differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type is known as constructor overloading process. More than one constructor differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type is known as constructor overloading process. If not, can I do this after the holidays? Yes or no? Two students are seeing very serious. Let me. When I started this, right? Can I stop here? Right. Okay. Anyway, 15-20 minutes time is there for me. I'll upload the options. Arrays I'll upload. Again, the next class is on. Okay. Don't forget Andy. Venkatesh Maipati is your faculty. Don't forget and come. My name only Venkatesh Maipati. Forget. Don't forget. Okay. Because long leave. Actually, this leave is common only every year. I also will take long leave. This time and Pongal. 2 times we take long leaves generally. Remaining time we'll be busy, no? We'll be spending with family, going out and so on. So we take break. 1 week break, we take it common. After coming back, I'll compensate the time and come. Okay, right. Make it. Next date is what now? 10, 10, 20. Right. Take a break for today. Happy Dasara to all.